Hello, this is my brother George, and he's going to give us a tour of our farm. So George, begin.
Okay, so on our farm, we don't have a garage to keep our cars in, so we just leave them outside like they are right now. This is our shop. This is just the beginning where we put some of our equipment in there for the tractors and stuff. And up here is a room upstairs in the shop. And we just keep some storage up there. And then down under it is my mom's extra room where she keeps some storage stuff over there. And then way down here, like right there, is where they put the chickens and stuff like that, and some chopped up wood for winter. And this right here is our Dodge truck, a new one that we got a few months ago. And this is our Kubota. It's a tractor, and you pick up bales and stuff with it. And then this is the woods mower that does not work right now. Something's wrong with it, but we don't know what's wrong with it. I don't think so. And this is our International 856. We use it for doing the silage wagon just like it is right now. We back it down there and then we feed the cows silage. And we go chopping with it with the flail chopper, which is that right over there. This is our hay rake that we use to rake the hay, put it into 2 piles so we can bale it. These things right here are our fans that just cool our barn and take out hot air. And that right there is our grain bin. We used to put corn in, so we put in the auger to bring it into the barn and fill it into a wheelbarrow and feed the cows. And this is part of another chopper that we have. And right over there is our Rex box that we use to chop up bedding with another chopper that we have. And put it in there, and there's a little bit of bedding in there right now. And these are 2 of our calves, Kara and Natalie. We just knew them yesterday. Right over here is our old Ram truck. We use it for just carrying stuff around the farm. And this is our hay vine that we use to cut all of our crops that we can't chop with and make bales out of them. This right there is our cattle trailer that we used to carry cows around in to take to Mr. Colley way up the road there, that he would take care of them, kind of. And we put square bales in it now to carry square bales around. And this is our Gale baler that we bale with. These are all our bales that we baled with the baler. And this is a wagon we got at the auction a few months ago in March or April, I don't remember which month it is, but it works for carrying bales on it. And these are the bale tweezers that we use to wrap around bales like this and pick them up and put them on the wagon. And this was the other chopper I was telling you about. It chops up like stuff we hay bind. Sometimes we hay bind it onto the ground and we chop this up to make it more thoroughly cut into pieces. And this over here is our planter that's kind of rusted out. Well, I'd say a lot of kind of rusted out. And sometimes we use a 10-foot wide or a 12-foot wide planter because it's better than this one. And this is our shed that the cows come in for shelter when it's raining. And we just put some silage in here so they can eat it. And that is our manure spreader. We're over there that we manure with. Take the manure and spread it onto the field. And that red wagon right there, we also use that for carrying bales. But we weren't using it yesterday because we were using that one because it's bigger. And that white thing right over there, it's a wagon that we carry hay into. And that green thing way back there by the brown feeder, that's what we put bales and chop them up into. And sometimes we chop into it to make it so the cows can come and eat it. Right in this field is where these 3 calves here, you can only see the back of one. They come out here and just walk around, stuff like that. And so that's all we have for you today. Bye.